So we start off as usual with the ultrasonic cleaner on, and we've got a Maxcom 7E. I think they were a bit zoomed in too much for this. Anyway, we'll cope. Maxcom 7E emergency set. It's plugged into the roof aerial, the Antron 99 without the ground plane kit, and it's plugged into external power at 13.2 volts. So they do that. So we will. That's the ultrasonic cleaner gone. We've not heard anything on it. It's a very sensitive set. It's doing 4 watts just. And we will see whether Mr. Mega Chippie is on Mr. Mega Chippie channel. Seems to have got interference. Tango 21 test. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Oh, Roger, I was nearly on the wrong channel. They are difficult to use when they're like this without an LED.
Yeah, roger that.
Right, I'm ready now.
Alright, off we go. Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger Dodger, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to the end of the line.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station 144.9 and 149.9.
Roger, Dodger, it's actually open, we must be early.
Right, we're now square wheeled Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Top of the hill.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
I actually got past it, I forgot.
Well, it was a long time.
Yeah, the world that we have and all that. Tango 21.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Maxcom 70 emergency test, and it's doing 3.9 watts output. And of course it's got a built-in mic, so that's it. Over.
Yep, roger that. There's a mini parked up on the corner of Scratchy Corner, and there's some cardboard in the windscreen, so I assume it's for sale, but you can't see what the writing is on it.
The daftest one is cars for sale, which is for sale but no price. And I once inquired about one of these, which Mark mentioned to me some years ago. It was a Skoda, and it was a diesel. And I was looking for a car at the time, and so there was no price, so I rang it over. Oh, it's 10,000. No, so well, I'm looking for a car under 3. So there's no point telling me any further.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Phone is Maxcom 7E from 1982. Doing the 3.9 watts output, 700 milliamps to do that, so it's very efficient. Got low power on it in its preset, and I measured it at 200 milliwatts, so we're going to do that. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are... And there we are back at full power. Over.
Yep, roger that. No problems on full power, but you were gone on low power. Had to override the squash and you were unintelligible. Over.
Not surprised at 200 milliwatts. Right, well, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 147.9 and 149.9.
Roger, forgot what you told me. It's Ancaster. It sounds like Ancaster receiver anyway. Right, well that worked great. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
10.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me? At that end, please, over.
Yep, 147.9 and 149.9.
Roger, I've forgotten what you told me at Ancaster, so it sounds like Ancaster's cheaper anyway. Right, well that worked great. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. 1010.
1010. Yeah, you can't ask for any more. Right, well, we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what that sounds like with that internal microphone.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 7E into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power. There we are on low power. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then back to full power. So tomorrow we've got a CyberNet ZX1 emergency set. Thanks for watching.